All right, everybody's here. Where's Roxana?
Roxana is in.
I see. That's good. You know, I really appreciate because this class is really joining a lot of activities, contests, this and that. Keep it up. That means your class is actually really doing good. Okay, so good morning. Let's start now. I'd like you to please take a look at the picture and tell me what you see. Go. Everybody read. Alright, so again, when we talk about free time activities, what is it really? Free time activities. You know, sometimes, yeah, go ahead.
When we be free and we do these activities, maybe like
Yes, that's very good. That's correct. That's correct. So when you're not doing anything, you're free, you do this kind of activities. We call this leisure, like your leisure time. You know, sometimes when I ask you how are you or introduce yourself, you will say, my hobbies are, so this is what it actually means. Okay, skills that you will be learning for today, you will have most definitely our focus. Speaking, what else? Vocabulary and fluency. Okay, you will be doing this. Now let's start with your speaking and vocabulary fluency. I'll flash a picture, tell me what you say. Let's start with you, Roxana. Zitura. Stand up. So what do you see in this picture?
Girl is sleeping.
In this picture.
In this picture, girl is sleeping.
Okay. And do you think it's your free time?
yes.
Okay. So do you also do this in your free time?
Yes, I do.
Okay. All right. Thank you. Yeah, Pirangas, let's have you. This way. In this picture.
In this picture.
You're bored. Let's have a speed shot. Just give me one. Say for example, if you ask me, what do you do when you're bored? Me, I binge watch series. I binge watch a series. That's my answer. Let's have you. What do you do when you're bored?
Maybe I productive because I like more active, be active.
Yep. Yeah, I like that. So good. Yep, shot all day. Maybe that's what. Neron? Okay. Yeah, that's you. Later. Do you want to try? You're next, Marjona. Okay, alright, you're productive, so that's good. Marjona, what about you? Are you lazy or productive when you go shopping? I am more.
I am in my free time. I'm in
Okay, I understand. Let's have you, Roxana, for this. Do you prefer going out alone or with friends?
If I have to choose, I would choose for going out alone.
Okay, yeah, sorry.
I prefer going with friends because it's more interesting with friends.
Okay, that's good. Alright, now let's start to learn and upgrade our vocabulary, okay? From B1, let's do C1 words or phrase. So, starting today, when you want to say, in my free time, I love watching TV. Instead of saying watching TV, say this. So, from basic, you say binge watching series. Well, instead of saying sleep, you can say, those who said your free time, you love sleeping, you can say, I love catching up on sleep or catching up with my dreams. You can do that, okay? Or catching up with my bed. So good. What about waste time? Waste time? Procrastinate. Procrastinate. Just Lina say?
Procrastinate.
Yes. Right, Jonah?
Procrastinate.
Procrastinate. Procrastinate.
Procrastinate.
Yes. Nigina. What is procrastinate again?
Waste time.
Yeah. So when you waste time, you are procrastinating. Okay? We don't want that. Procrastinate. Do this. Things I like to do. Check with your friends, with your classmates. I need you to write the names. If he or she loves to cook, write your name there. Later, I'll call you one by one, and you will present this in front. Clear? Yes. Name. Write the name. Only one name per activity. Okay? And I need you to really walk around and socialize with each other. Alright, stand up, move, conduct face review. Yeah, move. Don't just do this. Stand up, stand up, stand up. And start asking the question in English. Question over here. Let me hear you. Yeah, go ahead and ask the question. Only ask him. Go ahead, ask him. So, you don't show. No. Alright, and then move to another person. Okay? I need you to please fill out the form. Okay, we still have form. Go ahead. Very good. Photography. During your free time. Okay. Especially this. That's why you ask the question. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright. For sure, okay? I'm actually very happy looking at everybody and again socializing, asking the question in English. This is how you learn speaking and practicing your fluency. Alright, now, the practice more for your fluency, you will report your data here in front. And this is what you will be saying here. Alright? So, you will say, you can say, hi, well, most of my friends tend to spend their free time, and then just let me know. This is an example expression that you will be doing. Everybody read. Most of my friends tend to spend. Alright, give me a number. So give me a number. 7? Let's do 7.
7.
Yeah, okay. Let's have Sodic's number then. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nigina, 7. Yes, over here.
I say 9.
7, 8, 9. Alright, 9. Marjona will start. We have. Yeah.
Most of our friends tend to spend their free time hanging out with friends. They do? Shakregoda. They usually meet in the afternoon and talk for hours. I think they enjoy it because it helps them relax and
Socialize. Yeah, just like what you did in socializing.
Personally, I prefer staying at home and binge watching series.
Okay. Good man. That's nice. Yes, Nagina, choose. Who's next? Okay, Leila. Thank you, Marjona. Thank you.
Most of my friends tend to spend their free time hanging out with friends.
Like,
Like
can you give the name?
Samira.
Okay.
They usually meet in the afternoon.
That's it. So that's how you practice your public speaking and your fluency. Okay? So I hope that someone helped you, especially with the socializing. Alright, your next task is to go ahead and at the back of the paper, I need you to please write down what do you normally do during your free time. Just make it short. Okay? At the back of the paper. Let's proceed to writing now and tell me what do you do during your free time. Just make it short. Do you have questions, by the way? Okay, all right.